light too bright? Don't know. Oh, it's got that blazing again.
Here we go with my little cleaning machine.
This is going on YouTube, you know.
Huh?
This is going on YouTube.
Pull that down, please.
Literally, my mum just ordered a rug doctor. Like, she just literally went to Morrison's and bought one of these. You have to tip it on its side.
I think I will.
Is that gonna work? Oh, and hello, puppy. So, my dog is literally my mum's shadow. Like, hello. Anyway, that was a weird intro. Hello, people from the United Kingdom, United States, Europe, you know where. Welcome back to another video. And yeah, see me rolling because I'm in a car. Anyway, this is a video about my new intro and outro. I finally got up, made an intro, well, a good one at least. Because I did have this, like, really, like, scary, well, it wasn't scary, it was just like basically walking into a haunted house saying, hey, Dan_1738 Productions. And it was just really bad. And then I found out about intro, mate. My lovely mum bought me a £15 iTunes voucher. So I was able to get the £2 thing. And then I created an outro, which I think you should be grateful for. That I've actually, like, well, oh my god, that's my ICT teacher. Anyway, so just telling you about my new intro and outro. You're gonna see these on every video I do, unless I change them, which I probably won't because I like these. So yeah, hope you're having a good day. Peace out.